Hi guys, it's Chef Mimi and Mom here doing voiceover. So today we're cooking egusi soup.
Okay, Mimi showing us her tozo meat periwinkle. What is this one?
Uziza leaf.
And what's this?
Fish.
Stockfish,
Yes, stockfish.
pepper
Pepper
meat.
mix.
What else do you have here?
Crayfish.
And what? Onion, nor cube. So what are you doing?
We are pouring the pepper inside the egusi to mix it.
And then you added onion.
Yes.
Nice. So you're turning it. I know this thing will be heavy while you are mixing. Was it heavy?
Yes.
Yeah, I know. So okay, now you are done mixing. So what's the next thing?
We put our oil on fire.
We or you? Because
I put my oil on fire.
because I'd not follow you to do that. Okay, nice. Okay, so after that, what?
I added my onion and I added pepper. Then I stirred and added my panga.
Wait, count down. You're speeding. Okay, you turned it, check the heat, and then this is the panla. Woohoo!
I mistakenly added everything.
Okay, she whispered, I mistakenly added everything. Okay, she's taking out. Okay, you were supposed to add some. Okay, so but why did you fry it?
Because that's what Auntie CY said.
Okay, because it needs to the
Yes,
frying
the
enhances
flavor,
the
yes.
taste. And then here you've gone in with your egusi and no. Okay, what are we doing?
You're stirring it
Stirring.
until it becomes like separate.
Yeah, like separate.
Yeah, like that.
Like the okay, nice. Ooh, girl, you can cook. Okay, so you added
Water and stirred.
Yeah. So what next?
Added more water.
More water.
And added 2 cubes of milk.
Okay. Okay. Oosh. Food. Okay. So what next?
Salt.
Salt. Yeah. Okay.
I don't have measure. Just put it like that.
Yeah, because you can eyeball to know the measurements. Yeah. Okay. So crayfish, and she went to use hand. Chef that use hand to put crayfish. Covered. Yeah, and then what's that? Stockfish. Yeah. What is egusi soup without stockfish? My girl, not Zara nada. Okay, you added your meat. Yeah. Which meat did you use? Tozo. You said tozo. Okay.
And beef too.
And beef too. Okay. Now you covered to do this thing.
Add our periwinkle. And some. And uziza leaf.
Uziza leaf. Yeah, I think I remember someone asking earlier when I posted on WhatsApp, what did you add? Okay, now you've added the panla.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
And the stir.
The stir. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. And me doing my victory dance because I cannot wait to eat. And no more cooking in the house all the time for me. Oh, okay. So what else?
Just stir and I gave Auntie Amaka to taste.
Okay. Auntie Amaka made short this content, and this is the end result, girl. I ate this food and it was delicious. You are such a cook. Well done, Chef Mimi. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Anything else to say?
Like, subscribe, and comment.